Hello everybody of YouTube, everyone's well, having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to cook some fine egg noodles, and with that I'm also going to have some cream of tomato soup, established in 1869, and probably some ingredients there somewhere. Some ingredients there. And as for the noodles, right. So it's like day 2 of having a couple of wisdom teeth extracted. So yeah. So just got a saucepan. Gonna add some boiling water to it. Going to chuck some salt in it because salt's always good if you've just had a tooth out. So a bit of salt in there. Just going to have one of them. Let that do its thing. That's for the soup. Saucepan, soup, easy as that. Right. It's not sausages, it's not bacon. But I can't eat all them things at the moment. Maybe tomorrow I might be able to something different. This is quick, easy and soft, being the key word there. Hopefully that won't go over. Can't have nothing spicy either, which is great. But all I'm going to do is transfer the noodles from here into the tomato soup and just cook them like that. So probably about there. So there's a sauce going, bubbling away lovely in there. Missed. There you go. Gonna get them noodles in there. I cannot flick it everywhere. So just a bit of noodle soup, that's all. God, it's hot. So yeah, nearly done. Just heating it through. Not that I can even have it when it's hot, but you know. But what I might do, in fact what I'm going to do, is I'm going to put a little bit of cheese with it. Because I can have cheese. That should just melt into there. So it should be like cheesy, tomatoey noodles. Right. There we go. Dinner for another day. I'll just have a little bit of cheese on there. Whoopsie, never mind, that'll be alright. I can eat round it if need be. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to eat something a bit more, a bit better for day 3. Right. Still a bit swollen, as you can see. Overtaken out the top. And yeah. And as for the soup, well, tastes nice with the cheese in it, to be fair. It's not something I would usually have, but you know. And with the cheese, yeah, adds a bit of flavour to it. A bit more flavour. But yeah, enjoy your day, people. I'll catch you later.